Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 30th June 2025. Economic Outlook. Muted IT growth. Indian IT firms report sub 2% Q1 FY26 sequential growth amid caution. Reforms to continue. FM confirms no pause on reforms, consumption and investments show resilience. Diaspora remits record. Indians abroad sent home record $135.46 billion in FY25 remittances. Legal developments. Amazon wins damages. SIAC awards 23.7 crore rupees to Amazon in future Reliance dispute. Law College sit expanded. Gang rape probe in Kolkata strengthened, CCTV matches victims' account. Banking and finance. SBI turns 70. SBI marks 70 years with focus on agility, digital banking transformation. Axis eyes credit growth. Axis Bank sees rate cuts boosting credit demand across sectors. Corp interest coverage high. India INC interest coverage hits 5.8x, best in 12 quarters. Karnataka Bank exit. Top executives quit Karnataka Bank after audit flags unapproved spending. PLI payout. Telecom PLI disburses 1,162 crore rupees to 21 of 42 firms. Corporate finance. Torrent buys JB Pharma. Torrent acquires JB Chemicals at 25.6 thousand rupee crore valuation from KKR. RIL eyes Naira stake. RIL in talks to acquire 49.13% stake in Naira from Rosneft. Manipal eyes Sahyadri. Manipal leads 6,838 crore rupees bid to acquire Sahyadri Hospitals chain. Anant Ambani salary set. RIL sets Anant Ambani's annual pay between 10-20 crore. BAT ITC deal grows. ITC doubles raw tobacco sales, advances from BAT in FY25. Mahindra growth focus. Mahindra bets on high return sectors from its 1.59 trillion rupee portfolio. International affairs. UNSC and Pakistan. India plans strategy as Pakistan takes July UNSC presidency. BRICS eyes China curbs. BRICS summit to address China's export restrictions on rare earths. Tax and compliances. Tata Steel GST notice. Tata Steel served 1,007 crore rupees GST notice for ITC irregularities. Farmland flips tracked. IT department probes farmland cash deals used to clean money. Investments and finance. Startups add jobs. Tech startups expect 80,000 net hires in FY26, mainly fintech. Flipkart hiring surge. Flipkart plans to hire 5,000 across supply chain and tech functions. Zomato eyes aviation. CEO Goyal invests in LAT Aerospace for regional air travel. Dharavi redevelopment adds biz. Dharavi project to include commercial hub in massive urban renewal. Foodlink IPO filed. Foodlink F&B files DRHP for IPO amid strong F&B sector growth. Financial markets. Indices near record. Nifty hits 25,638, eyes 26,200 on continued bullish sentiment. Sensex rises 2%. Sensex climbs to 84,059, up 7.7% in USD YTD terms. DAX jumps 36.6%. German DAX index posts 36.6% YTD USD gains on strong recovery. Stock futures surge. Traders roll over futures as indices hit 9-month highs. Nasdaq up 5%. Nasdaq gains 5% weekly, driven by tech optimism and AI bets.